Hey everybody! If you're watching this video, chances are you're like me and tend to get overwhelmed by the information superhighway that we call the internet. Sometimes the information can be so overwhelming and dense that you don't even know what question to ask first to get more clarity. Thankfully, Simplified's AI now has a template to help you do just that. And in this video, we're going to show you how. To start, we'll click on Generate Copy, then we'll come down here and click Explore Templates, and then we'll scroll towards the bottom until we find Question Maker. Go ahead and click on that, and from here we'll fill out the prompts, starting with selecting our language, and then we can provide a paragraph or the content that we would like to know what questions to ask for more clarity on. Type or paste your content in this block here, and you can always decide to use the advanced options if you'd like to choose the number of results you'd receive on your first round, as well as the creativity level in which you'd like to receive them. You can turn the advanced options on and off by using this toggle switch right here. And when you're ready, all you have to do is click Generate. And there you have it. Simplified's AI has generated some intelligent yet basic questions you can ask to gain more clarity on your topic of interest. If you'd like the AI to generate more questions on this topic, all you have to do is continue to click Generate as many times as you would like. Once you're pleased with the generated results, you can come over here and click the heart icon to mark your favorites. Click this icon to copy to your clipboard and paste the questions wherever you wish. Click this trash can icon to delete the ones you don't like. And of course, click these three dots right here to edit the questions to make them more your own. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified's AI can help you better generate and navigate the questions and answers of the internet, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.